First, you'll need a few essentials: your Canon Eos 250d camera, a USB cable, preferably the one that came with your camera, and your computer. Head over to the official Canon website and download the Canon Eos webcam utility software. Make sure you select the correct operating system for your computer. Now, connect your camera to your computer using the USB cable. Ensure it's firmly plugged into both ends. Next, turn on your camera and switch it to video recording mode. This is usually indicated by a video camera icon on your mode dial. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, like Zoom, Google Meet, or OBS Studio. In the application's video settings, locate the camera selection option. You should now see Canon Eos webcam utility as an available camera source. Select it. And just like that, your Canon Eos 250d is now functioning as your high-quality webcam, ready to elevate your virtual presence with stunning clarity. Experiment with your camera settings like aperture and ISO to fine-tune your image, giving you complete control over your appearance. Share this video with anyone looking to upgrade their webcam.